Finding a simple random sample can be quite easy with the right technology. So let's use TI-nspire to help us find a simple random sample for this example. Find a simple random sample of size 2 from the population of size 5. So here we have Bob, Patricia, Mike, Jan, and Maria. The first thing we need to do is enumerate our population. So we have Bob, we have Patricia, we have Mike, we have Jan, and we have Maria. Excellent. So we have enumerated them 1 through 5. So we want to find a subset of the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is, we need to choose 2 of those numbers randomly. And to help us do that, we'll use TI-nspire. So the function that we want to use is going to be found under Menu. And under Menu, we can scroll down to Probability. Once we're in Probability, we can go to Random. And then we want to look at a sample. Right? We're looking for a random sample. Excellent. So we will select that. Now we want to find a random sample of the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That's easy for a calculator to do. So we'll say, all right, but to do that we need to tell it those numbers somehow. Now for just 5 numbers you could enter them, but when we have a larger set we'll want to be able to know how to handle a larger set of numbers. So let's see how to do this in general. We're going to again use Menu. We'll go down to Statistics, and then we're going to go to List Operations, number 4, and then we're going to create a sequence, which is number 5. So I'm going to hit 5 because we want to make a sequence. Now I'm not going to explain exactly what all of these entries mean, but know that you want to hit 4 entries, okay? So you want to hit I, comma, I. This could be your favorite variable, just make sure they match. And then how many entries do we want? Well, we need the numbers 1 through 5, so we need 1 to 5. So for now, that's all that we're going to talk about the sequence. If we want the numbers 1 through 5, we need sequence I, 1, and 5. So we get 1 to 5. So if you want a sequence of 240, you would have 1 and 240. Excellent. So that is our first entry. Those are the numbers that we're going to be pulling from. The second entry we want is how many observations are we going to pull? Well, we want 2 observations. And then the last thing is whether we want to have replacement or no replacement. So that is, once I select the first person or the first number, do I put that number back? Do I replace it or not? And I want no replacement in this case, so I'm going to put a 1. If we want replacement, we would put a 0. So from the numbers 1 through 5, I want to choose 2 of them with no replacement. That gives me the numbers 2 and 5. So our sample are the second and 5th entry, so Patricia and Maria. If you guys would like a video about how sequences work, just let me know. And if you guys have any other questions, I'm happy to answer them. You just need to let me know. Have a wonderful day.